Morning everybody, and as you can see, I'm not at my house, I'm at my grandma's house, and I'm just gonna be vlogging for y'all today. And I just want y'all to follow Fresh the Clowns on Instagram and Snap, and just give them a shout out. And I just want to show y'all how bad it is out in here in Philly. It's bad. Not bad, but it's kind of okay. Let me show you how bad it is outside. Y'all see all that snow? And I was gonna later when my dad brings me clothes, I'm gonna be vlogging it, and I'm gonna show y'all, when I go outside. And yeah, so I might go to the store today, buy some Warheads or Dynamites. They some good chips, but hot. And as you can see, it's like watery. It's like watery outside. I'm gonna try to give you. I'm gonna open it up so y'all can get a better view. And y'all gonna be like, it's cold in here. Well, I'm gonna keep it on the beam with y'all. It's like not even cold, but when you go out there, it's probably cold. So y'all see, I know y'all see all that ice. I know y'all see all that ice right there. And I'm gonna just go outside and try to bust my behind. Cause all the squirrels are in hibernation.